Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily weather briefing. We've got some low cloudiness and a little bit of patchy fog out there this morning that will continue throughout most of the day today. We've got some easterly flow and a marine layer that has worked its way into the Wallops region that will continue to be over the area throughout the next several hours before a cold front moves through later tonight. As you can see on our current surface analysis, there's several weak boundaries across the area this morning. That easterly flow continuing to bring in that lower level moisture, and we are currently seeing ceilings only at about 300 feet. We'll see those ceilings somewhere between 300 and 1,000 feet throughout the day today. Maybe even see a little bit of patchy drizzle at times, but overall it's going to be an overcast day today with those low clouds continuing throughout the next several hours. We'll take a quick look at our balloon information from this morning's release. The freezing level was at 10,700 feet, and our winds generally out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, very light, only about 6 knots at that 1,000-foot level. And then as we get up in the atmosphere, we see more of a southwesterly to westerly component, winds increasing with height, and we see a wind of 93 knots out of the west-southwest at the 25,000-foot level. Quick look at our radar this morning. Really no significant precipitation in the area. Could see a little bit of drizzle though with those low clouds throughout the day today, and likely that will be below the radar beam and not really showing up on radar, but don't rule out some patchy drizzle and especially some mist as those ceilings lower at times throughout the day today. I want to take a look at our satellite imagery and what we can expect as far as cloudiness goes throughout the day, and you can see those low clouds really hanging tough throughout the mid-Atlantic region this morning. Some upper level clouds being shown here on the satellite imagery as well, but these low clouds will be the predominant player. Not really seeing much in the way of breaks in those low clouds throughout the day today, with that continuing until that cold front moves through the region later tonight. So I want to take a look at our forecast model, what we can expect throughout the day today. Going through the afternoon hours, again, a little bit of patchy drizzle showing up at times during the late morning and early afternoon hours. And then as we get into the evening hours tonight we'll see those showers begin to pop up throughout the area around 10 o'clock tonight, and then especially after midnight we'll see a good chance of some rain. Moderate showers possible at times. Could even see a heavier shower as we get to the midnight hour tonight and to the wee hours of the morning. We'll see those rain showers likely, and we should see just enough instability work its way into the area to produce just a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm throughout the region. So going with about a 20% chance of an embedded thunderstorm after midnight tonight with these showers, some of them heavier at times between midnight and 4 a.m. We'll pause the model frame here at about 4 o'clock in the morning. You can see those showers exiting the coastline at that point in time, and we'll see the winds picking up as well after midnight with that front moving through. The winds will shift from a southwesterly to a westerly direction at around 4 o'clock in the morning, with those winds gusty at times on throughout the day on Thursday as that high pressure builds into the region. Switching here to our European model, during the day on Thursday we should see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, with those gusty conditions continuing through the afternoon. Really no threat for precipitation Thursday and throughout most of the day on Friday, but we will see a little bit of upper level energy swinging through late in the day on Friday into the nighttime hours, and could see a sprinkle or a flurry Friday night as that upper level disturbance goes through. We'll see more clouds on Friday than what we'll see on Thursday as well, and it will be quite cool with those winds and combination with temperatures in the low to mid 40s, producing a pretty chilly day on both Thursday and Friday. So really the chance for precipitation Friday night looks like it will be fairly light if we get anything at all, with their just a stray shower or a few flurries during the nighttime hours of Friday. As we go into the day on Saturday, we'll continue to see some breezy conditions on into the weekend, with those cool temperatures in store for Saturday and Sunday. And our next chance for rain will likely not come until late Monday, but most likely Tuesday, when we'll see the next system bringing a few scattered showers to our area for the day on Tuesday, with some warmer temperatures expected for the beginning of next week. So for the next 24 hours, we're going to see those low clouds persist throughout the morning and afternoon hours. A daytime high expected of around 56 degrees. Winds out of an easterly direction throughout the day, increasing as we go into the evening hours. As you can see, between 8 p.m. and midnight, those winds will increase up to around 10 to 15 knots. Then see the rain showers move in just after about 10 o'clock in the evening is when we'll see the chances for some rain becoming likely after midnight tonight, and we'll see the slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm as well, going with about a 20% chance of seeing those thunderstorms occurring after about 1 a.m. As we go into the wee hours of the morning, looking at just some mostly cloudy skies by about 4 o'clock in the morning, and then some windy conditions as well, those winds gusting out of the west at around 30 knots. So we go into the 7-day forecast period. You can see those evening rain showers tonight looking very likely at about 100%. Looks like the chance after about 10 o'clock tonight of seeing those rain showers, and then after midnight becoming likely. Windy conditions as well, gusting up to around 30 knots overnight tonight. Could see some winds gusting just a bit higher than that during the day on Thursday, possibly gusting up to around 35 knots at times. And then seeing windy to breezy conditions continuing into Friday and Saturday. Again, that Friday night to Saturday morning time frame could see a few sprinkles or flurries during the overnight period. Mostly cloudy skies for both Friday and Saturday with cooler temperatures. See those highs only in the mid 40s for Friday and the low 40s for Saturday. And then on into the weekend, we'll see cool temperatures expected for Sunday, and then a warm-up expected Monday into Tuesday, a high of 54 degrees for your Monday and 62 on Tuesday, with our next chance of rain coming on Tuesday of next week. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Have a nice day.